In this video, I will be showing you how to install Ollama on Mac. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Ollama. We'll be having the official link. Open it, and to the rightmost top, we are having the download option. Click it, and automatically it will be selected to Mac OS. You can simply paste this command in the terminal, or else you can simply click on download for Mac OS. I will just click this, and the download will be getting started. It is around 169 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it and drop it inside applications. Go to apps, and we'll be having here Ollama, or else you can search for it. Open it, and we just need to enter the password, and we'll be getting the Ollama interface like this. Simply expand it, and here we're having some commands how we can use Ollama with Codex, Copilot CLI, Claude Code, and OpenClaw, Hermes agent and stuff. Just go to new chat. This is the chat interface where we can select the model and interact. The model can be a cloud model. As you can see, we are having these many cloud models available, or it can be a model that is locally running on your system. So first, let's try a cloud model. For example, let's say I want to use this Quen cloud model. I will just select it, and it says cloud models require an Ollama account. Just click on sign in. I have signed in now, and if I go and type something, so it says this model requires a subscription. Alright, so I'll just go to some other cloud model. This time I will go with Gemma 4. This is also a cloud model. I will say hi this time to it, and I'm getting the response now. Yeah, I've got the response, and you can even like upload some files and stuff. You can even like use the search the web feature. We're also having a plan for using the cloud models. So here you can see we're having the free plan, the $20 plan, and the $100 plan. As you can see, we are getting more cloud usage as the cost of the plan increases. So you can just get a plan based upon your use case. Now let's see how we can run a model locally. So for that, just go to their official site. We'll be having here models. Select it. Here we will be having a lot of open source models. If you aren't sure the model that you are looking for, you can simply search it over here, or you can simply filter it out, okay, popular or the newest. So I'll just go with the Gemma 3 models, and these are the models that we are having along with their context and their input type, if only text is available or image input is also available. So here we're having the sizes of the models. I'll just go with the smaller one, which is the Gemma 3. So we can simply copy the name of that model and go here, go to this models and paste it. Just paste the model name, and as you can see, we'll be having this with a download symbol. Just click it. Now that model has been selected, but it hasn't been downloaded yet. Okay, now I'll just send a message hi. This model won't give the response because first it needs to get downloaded, and after that it needs to run in local, then only it will be able to give the response. So just be patient till it gets downloaded. Since this model is of very less size, it will be getting downloaded in a flash, but we are having a lot of big models. For example, in Gemma itself, we're having a 17 GB model, and in some cases the model sizes could be like 50 or 100 GB. So based upon your system specification, just select the model of your choice. While it is downloading, in case if you want to see the settings of Ollama, to the leftmost top we'll be having here Ollama. Click it and click on settings. Here it will show us the account name, enable cloud and web search, automatic downloads, and this is going to be the default model location where Ollama models are going to get downloaded. If you want to change it, you can, and you can even like select the context length also. If you want to reset to default, you can do that over here. Okay, now I guess the Gemma model has been downloaded. Hi to it, and look how fast it is. Just go and say my name is Jay, and it says that's wonderful to hear. Damn, that's so fast to respond. Okay, since this is a very small model, it's giving the response so quickly. And in case if you want to quit it, here to the top we'll be having the Ollama logo. You can simply select quit Ollama, and that's it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.